In the last section, we had discussed about few terms, namely MDD, maximum daily demand, MHD, maximum hourly demand, and Q, average daily demand of water. And we had stopped there. Please note those equations. MDD for MDD, Q is equal to 1.8 times small q, where small q is the average daily demand of water, and for MHD, capital Q is equal to 1.5 times MDD is equal to 2.7 times the average daily demand of water. We had stopped at that portion. Now coming to a bit more important portion, we will be seeing the flow chart where the water is taken from any source and then finally distributed to the customers. In that, we will be stating the various associated processes in a brief manner. You just look into the figure. At the extreme left side, I've stated or given the figure of a river, and in river there will be large suspended particles or floating materials available or present, and then from there we take our water to a particular intake, and there we store our water. Then through a main pipeline we bring the water to treatment units. Treatment units, I have given 4 sets of treatment units here. First one is the primary sedimentation tank. Here the suspended particles are removed. Second is the secondary sedimentation tank, which is used to remove the dissolved salts. It is not seen to the naked eyes, but in tank treatment unit 1 we had the suspended particles which we can see. Then third unit is the filtration chamber. It will be coming under rapid and slow sand filter. We all know the term filtration and all, and the details will be discussed in the coming classes, but the third unit is a filtration chamber, and the last unit is the disinfection done to remove the pathogens and disease causing bacteria. This will be the fourth treatment unit. So 4 sets of treatment will be done to the water coming to the main pipeline, and then if the water is still hard, we do some miscellaneous softening process like the ion exchange or the CLA process. It will be dealt later, and from there we again take the water through a pipeline to a storage reservoir. It will be elevated, and then from there using pumps we give to the distribution system where it will be supplied to the household or for the public. So this is the full network where water is taken from the river and finally supplied to the distribution system. Now we should know that all these things are designed for a particular values, and here comes the relevance of our previous topic, the terms MDD and MHD and average daily demand, etc. Here we should know that the distribution system I have shown, I have written 2 things at the bottom. The distribution system is designed for the maximum of 2 values. One is MDD plus fire demand or MHD. Whatever is greater in these two, MDD plus fire demand, we get a value, MHD we get a value. Whichever of these is the maximum, for that we design the distribution system. Now in the left extreme left we can see that the river intake. Okay, then first of all the main pipeline. The main pipeline is designed for MDD, and then coming to treatment units. The treatment units 1, 2 and 4 are designed for MDD, whereas the third one, that is the filtration chamber, is designed for 2 times Q, where Q is the average daily demand of water. So that is the exception. In that case, the 1, 2 and 4th units are designed for MDD, whereas the third unit is designed for 2 times the average daily demand. Okay, then we come to the pipeline again. Here, as previous case, this pipeline is designed for MDD, and then we come to storage reservoir. Here also it is designed for MDD, and then we come to the pumps, which is again designed for 2Q, that is 2 times the average daily demand. So this is a brief network showing the collection of river till supply. So just refer and then try to understand the flow chart. No need of mucking up, but just understand the flow chart as such. And the only exceptions coming for the value of design are the third treatment unit and the pump. All the others are designed for MDD, and the distribution system, the maximum of the two values stated, MDD plus fire demand or MHD. The fire demand equations have been stated in the previous classes. There are 4 set of equations, and the combination of MDD plus fire demand value or the value of MHD, whichever is greater, that will be used for the distribution system. Okay.